Aww.
Tickles.
Oh, she's gonna start nudging you. Come on, give me one.
No, Vic. You'll die.
Yeah, she can't have those ones. They have cheese in them. Aww. She's gonna try though.
She's trying to get him. I think that chicken's too funny. Now she really wants them.
Hey, Mick. He won't give you any goldfish, eh?